Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix audio problem after Windows Update KB5015878 in Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, if you are experiencing audio problems after installing Windows Update, which is going to be the KB5015878 on Windows 10, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Number one is I need you to restart your computer, because sometimes if you ask me, a simple restart can resolve various software-related issues, including audio problems. After that, try to see if that works, alright? Now, the next option is you might want to check the audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings are correctly configured. Of course, right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Open Sound Settings, and verify the correct audio output device is selected, as you can see it from here. Now, the next option that you can do is to roll back the audio drivers. If you recently updated your audio drivers and started experiencing issues after that, try rolling back the driver to the previous version. To do this, you need to go to the device manager, and from your computer, click on the start menu, press Window button plus R to run the dialog box here, and type in devmgmt.msc, and I'm going to click OK. A new window will pop up, and that's going to be the device manager. And from here, all you have to do is expand on the audio and inputs and outputs. All right, click on properties to see if there's nothing. All right, you can also click on the scan for hardware changes. Just wait for a little bit, because that means it would check some problems if there is. So if none, it's going to revert back to the original output. And you can also go to the sound and video and game controllers. You can also do the same thing. You can go to properties, and of course you can scan for hardware changes, right? Now you also want to expand on this one, and just go here at the one of the properties right here, and see if there's any rollback driver if available. Now, if none of the above steps work, you might want to try to reach out to the Microsoft support for further assistance. Of course, they could provide more advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation. And I believe by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve audio problems caused by Windows Update KB5015878 in Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.